Sophie and Katie here. Say hi. And then we are going to make
pizza
and
饅头.
yeah, together. Yeah. So this is the last lesson for Sophie and Katie in Hong Kong, right? Cooking class. When are you guys leaving?
April 7th. I'm leaving April 10th.
10. Also, you leaving tomorrow?
Yeah.
So, we're going to make pizza and mantou first. Make the mantou first.
Yeah.
Okay. And we need some water, some oil, and sugar, and salt. So, the recipe is here.
Okay.
What is the first step?
Weigh water, sugar and yeast in the mixing bowl.
Water, 130. Can you pull slowly until it reaches one? So, don't touch the side, remember? Yeah. And then, what else?
20 grams of sugar.
Excellent. So, put 65 then. Okay, now, very slow. What else is there? We need water, we need sugar. So, 20 divided by 2.
20 divided by 2 is 10.
Okay, and then what else? Another
We
recipe?
need yeast. One teaspoon.
Has to be flat, yeah? Okay, slowly. Excellent. What else do we need? And then the first step is into the mixing bowl.
This is the mixing bowl.
And then,
Do mix.
yeah, 1 minute.
1 minute at 37 degrees Celsius.
Can you do that? 1 minute? Turn. Yes, that's second.
37. That's 37 degrees Celsius.
And speed 2. Okay, so do you know why 37? Can anybody answer?
That's the normal temperature. And otherwise it'll be too cold or it'll be too hot.
Yeah, because each will be very happy at
Yeah.
37. When they are happy, they will rise.
Yeah.
Then we add oil, flour, and the salt.
Flour and salt.
Okay, oil 5 grams. Alright, and then salt. We're gonna put a little bit
I'll
salt.
do some. I'll do the salt. Okay, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
Yes. How much will that be? Do the calculation.
125.
Excellent. So when you are at home, you need to go by the hand.
Yeah, we just do it by hand.
Yeah, so this one then probably take about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But this machine only 2 minutes.
Yeah, and it washes itself.
And then I think we need to come here. We need to do that something.
Yeah.
So we are taking our pizza and
Taking our pizza stuff out. It's ready. And we have our dough.
and then we cut into 3.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to make into 3. Okay, each one make into 3. Cat shape. Mantou, how is that?
No, dog shape.
Dog shape.
Yeah, now we're in Simba like that.
No, cat shape. A dog shape will be very difficult.
No, dog shape, dog shape, dog shape.
Okay, let's see how we can do. Yeah, that's very good. Okay, Katie, you do this. You do this. No, okay. Fold it under. Look at me. Hold like this. Yeah. Yeah, you got it. And the other side. So the top is very round, right?
Yeah, it's very round.
Okay, then we put there.
Oh, my best one is this one.
Yeah, good. So leave everything here. Let's do pizza now. Come.
Yeah.
Start cooking. What does that say?
Lightly glaze a large bowl and set aside.
Next.
110 grams of water, room temperature. Next, a teaspoon of sugar
How
or
much?
malt powder. 1/2 of a teaspoon. I said. 1 teaspoon of dried instant yeast or fresh yeast crumbled.
Very good. Next.
Insert the measuring cup into the mixing bowl lid.
Okay, next.
Then turn the speed selected to 2.
Okay, Katie, you want to try? Turn this one into 2. Very good.
200 grams of
So I'm using pizza flour. So I already preheat our ovens. Is it 100 yet? Okay, one more. Next.
15 extra.
Okay. All right. And next.
Oh, it's 15 exact.
Next.
1/2
Okay,
teaspoon
take
of
it
fine
here.
sea salt.
Wait.
Can I put?
Yeah. Careful.
Me and Simba have the same hair.
So same thing. Yeah, so we wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, wash hands.
Okay, wash hands.
Okay, so this is after 2 minutes. This is called dough. After we knead the dough looks like this.
Yeah.
Look, we again making a ball. Remember how to make a ball? We just fold. See how round? And then we put it here. Later you will see it become like this.
Yeah.
About 1 hour. Let's do thick, so you need to stretch it more because it will become thicker when you bake it. Yeah? So then we're going to put all the cheese and the cheese. Salt. Okay, this is to make it, okay. So you put a little bit only, spread it around. Okay, so now this is the first layer. Okay, a little bit, this is a cheddar cheese. Can you put
cheddar cheese? I like cheddar cheese.
Sprinkle around. Okay, some Parmesan cheese.
Oh, I love Parmesan.
Okay, so sprinkle around.
Parmesan cheese.
Katie's gonna to put the pizza in the oven by holding this pizza pill. Yeah? Okay, and then I'm gonna to put into the oven. So the door open.
Okay, so how do you do
Okay, we put the pizza inside. Okay, and then we need 5 minutes. Wow, look at that! It really looks like a dog.
It looks like
Sophie, that's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
Okay, start to put the cheese.
On.
Cheese here.
Oh
Okay, so Katie, yours is almost done. Let me take it out. Look at that.
my gosh! Wow!
Yeah.
Katie, come see a pizza!
Okay, so come. Be careful.
Yeah.
So we are taking. Be careful. Don't touch anything. We are
need
taking
pizza
this out.
It looks so yummy! Oh, I like that the ears
Okay,
puffed
don't
up.
come here.
The ear puffed up.
And then we put it.
On the drying area.
Okay, so wash your hands. Okay, and then 5 minutes.
Well, I can it puffed up and I love it.
Okay.
We have now our lunchtime.
Yeah. So should we make a ear?
Yeah, doggy ears, not cat ears. Yeah, doggy ears.
Okay, so now Sophie's pizza is ready too. Wow, very nice.
Yeah.
Wow, Cecily.